You guys clean the water?
Everybody else died.
Oh, where did I do that?
Somebody got it. Never seen it, huh?
Never like so seen this in my life. Oh my gosh. Dude, that was good.
Watch. What time did this movie start?
Are you filming that?
Huh?
It started like 30 minutes ago.
Sure you're filming that?
Who is this big old blimp? Come on, you have to act.
You're probably not even.
I am recording. It says record.
Get that out of my. Sorry, no more.
This is what you don't do.
Oh my god.
Here, I'm gonna act. Okay, here you go.
That's like it's a movie.
Okay. Ready?
Charlie?
And action.
Charlie. Charlie.
Oh my gosh. There's something wrong with this girl.
They call me Charlie. Oh my god, like so totally like I don't know. I don't know what to do.
This is what happens when you're bored all the time. When you have nothing to do. No. This is what happened. Just fine. Oh my gosh. Where? Make sure you never do that stuff. Who's in there? Oh my freaking gosh. You killed the whole scene. Go film Blippi right there. Oh, huge whale. Your sister has some issues, Dad. Cereal. Back to the scene. Whatever, Michael. Back to
Okay.